In this video, I'll show you how to confirm bank account on PayPal. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so confirming your bank account can raise your transaction limits on PayPal. So that means you can send or receive higher amounts of money, which can be crucial for business transactions or larger purchases. Okay, so linking and confirming your bank account helps you verify your identity on PayPal, and it can enhance trust between you and other users, especially your client or boss, when conducting transactions. So, how do we confirm our bank account on PayPal? Simply, all you're gonna do right here. This is the first steps. All right, go to click wallet on the top of the page. All right here, and then click the bank account you want to confirm. All right, so click confirm your bank account. All right, remember that you need to check your bank account within 2 to 3 working days for the exact amounts and log into your PayPal account. And of course, go to your wallet and confirm the bank account by entering 2 deposits amount. All right, so enter the decimal digits right here. You need to enter the decimal digits of the 2 large deposits. Of course, it depends on your currency or the region you're in, your PayPal is associated with. Say, for example, if the amounts you receive are something like this one, all right, and then all I'm going to do is click confirm. All right, that's it. All right, so basically that's how you confirm bank account on PayPal. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.